Hattie, hattie. It is Nilda from Rebel Self Care. I am just getting my morning chore started. Supposed to go to a client's today, but unfortunately their child got sick, so we have to reschedule that. But you guys have wanted to follow me around and see what I do in a day where I'm not at work, but I'm working on the farm. So hang around and you'll get to see what I do all day. All right, the girls are down there, so see if I can get them up. Come on! Come on! Come on! Gonna give these girls some range cubes to check on them, check the babies, make sure everybody's good. So I'm gonna grab them real quick before they get here. This right here is our nurse cow. She's ornery. She'll run you over for food, so gotta watch her. Good girl. Come on! Come on! All right, let's check these girls. Come on. Come on, baby. Those calves are so cute. There's more coming. All the way down there. Come on. These girls like their food, as you can tell. I believe that's a little heifer calf right there. Sassy. Come on. Now you guys gotta kind of see all the babies as they come up. There we go. All the mamas and babies. We're starting our new venture of trying to find a bull for this breeding season. So hopefully we can find one pretty soon. Come on. Okay. So yeah, everybody looks like they're doing good. I see most of our calves. We got some way back there. Right there. Can't zoom in too much because the quality's not that good, but yeah. Got all the cows checked, so next we'll be cutting wood, checking sheep, because it is cold today. It is 29 degrees right now. Yeah, all the fuzzies. But yeah, there's all the cows. Off to the next chore. They're way over there, so it might take a minute to get up here. Got a little bit of grain. They're a little ways away, but most of the time if I have some grain, it gets them moving. The two mamas are getting big, so I'm thinking babies maybe around the end of December. So I'll flip it around and let you guys see. Now it looks like that mama right there is starting to bag up a little bit. Can't really see it right there without getting in her business too much, but she's getting there. Look at that tummy. And then let's see, where's that other mama? There she is. She's getting there. Oh, can't wait to see what they have. It's the two mamas right there. She is carrying low. I think we'll at least have twins out of both these guys, so that'll be good. Hopefully they take all of them. Oh man, that face. I absolutely love our Hardy. It is an outside wood burning stove, and it cuts down so much mess in the house. And you can toss these big old pieces in it and it lasts all night, most of the morning the next day. All right, now to go cut some more wood. Got it. I am tired, slightly out of breath, but we got some more firewood cut. There's a bunch right there. There's some down in there. And then, well, back behind all that brush, there's some more back in there. So we probably got enough to last several weeks till we can get at it again. But I think I'm done with that and try and move on to the next chore or piddly thing that I want to do today. So yeah. And then my buddy, he's helping. Trying to get all the wild critters. Hopefully you don't find no skunks. But yeah, on to the next chore. Alright, well I got all my at-home chores done, so now it is off to go do some grocery shopping and then cook some dinner by the time my guy gets home. And then, fingers crossed, there is a sheep and goat sale tonight. So yeah, that was pretty much a day in my life when I'm not working / working at home. It varies day to day, but thank you guys for tagging along with me today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.